I hope you liked that little video of us painting. I didn't really do any explaining as I was going through the process, but it's essentially just scuff up the new panel, and then after you do that, go ahead and clean it off with a tack rag and make sure there's no dust or anything on it. And then you're good to go ahead and lay the base coat. After the base coat's laid, if any dirt or debris or anything got inside of it, just go ahead and wet sand it. We use 2000 grit sandpaper, and then after that, lay the clear, and then you're good to go. I think we did about 2 or 3 coats of each, so there's not a ton of paint on it, but it's enough to look good. As you can see, we finished the hood, the bumper, and the grille. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting that stuff back together. And that's a wrap. Here's the bumper, hood, and grille all complete. The panel gap's not perfect on the front. I could do a little bit more shimmying to get it perfect, but I think it turned out pretty good for what it is, especially. You can see here, it's a little mangled up from me trying to bend it back, but it looks a million times better than it did, and I didn't need to buy a new fender, which was cool. The paint actually matches, which is always a good thing. Turned out really nice. If you want to make it really pop, all you have to do is go ahead and wet sand it. It'd be nice and easy to make this thing look like new. But all in all, it turned out really nice. So I'm gonna leave it at that. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. That'd mean a lot. I'm gonna try and work on getting the inspection done, hopefully this week, and then I'll be good to drive it from here on out. I'll catch you in the next one.